Thank you for watching the research videos created by our EOG-RRC group at the University of Alberta. In this video, a technique to visualize diffusion and dispersion in porous media will be presented. We will introduce the research background, explain the experimental setup and procedure, and demonstrate two 3D video samples obtained from this research. An optimal design of solvent injection requires a clear understanding of solvent interaction with oil under diffusive and dispersive mixing, and gravitational and viscous displacement conditions. This research work aims to visualize miscible displacement in porous media, including solvent diffusion under static conditions and solvent injection through dynamic experiments to stimulate vapor extraction, aka VAPEX. The experimental setup employed in this research consists of a laser source, a model containing oil-saturated glass beads, two high-speed cameras, and a computer to control the camera's movement. The experiments were operated in a dark space and a blue laser served as the light source. The model contains oil-saturated glass beads acting as the porous media. Two high-speed cameras were used to capture the images of the model during the experiments. The experimental procedure is described as follows. First, a model was packed with glass beads and saturated with oil after refractive index matching. Second, solvent, such as heptane, was injected into the model at a specified rate. Videos of the model under the laser were taken using two high-speed cameras. And finally, the images were processed and 3D videos were generated. This video shows the solvent diffusion into the oil phase in the oil-saturated glass beads model. The interaction type was counter-current diffusion, meaning only the bottom of the model was open for the interaction with solvent and all other sides were closed to flow. Initially, the cubic model was solvent-free and the color was black. Solvent, indicated by the blue color, diffused upwards from the bottom where solvent and oil made contact. The solvent-oil interface moved gradually until it reached the top of the model. This video demonstrates the solvent injection during a vapor extraction process. Solvent vapor extraction, or VAPEX process, which is a solvent analog of steam-assisted gravity drainage, or SAGD, done by dissolving solvent in a vapor phase into heavy oil, is a promising alternative to the thermal-based heavy oil recovery methods. Two parallel horizontal wells were drilled in the model with the injector on top of the producer. Solvent was injected at a certain rate through the injector, and oil-solvent mixture was produced from the producer. The blue color showed the expansion of the solvent chamber. The solvent chamber had a dome shape at the beginning of the injection, and it expanded laterally and downwards when it reached the top of the model. Thank you for watching this video. For more research and educational videos, please visit our website at www.eogrrc.com.